You believe God is a woman.
Amen.
Hey girl, you don't know.
Good morning everyone. You can probs tell that I just got up. Look at my hair, it's like a poof ball. But today I'm actually taking the train to see a new friend called Ashley, or Ash as I call her. My alarm's ringing and we haven't even known each other for that long. She also has a YouTube channel, and on her channel she does like similar videos to me and also like covers. So yeah, we're going to meet in Malmo, which is like almost a 3-hour train ride from me. And I've like never been on the train by myself for that long. Like I've always had my little sister with me, or someone at least that I know. So I'm kind of like nervous, but I know it'll be fine because like I don't have to switch trains or anything, so it's cool. Right now it's like 6 o'clock, no, it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna be there like 10:30, which is a good time because it's early. And yeah, we're gonna do some shopping. It's gonna be cool. I'm kind of nervous because like obviously I've never met her before, but I think it will be so much fun. And the weather's actually kind of gloomy, but it still says it's gonna be 27 degrees, so I've still got a t-shirt and shorts on. I've got my everyday shorts. I literally need a new pair of shorts that fit me. And then I've got this top from Brainsy because I had like no other clothes. And I've got my everyday makeup routine going on here. I feel like I maybe got a little bit of a tan yesterday, but I'm gonna make sandwiches to bring on the train, and I'm gonna make myself an iced coffee. Seriously? I'm gonna make myself 2 of these like buns here. So I think I will eat one now and bring one on the train with me. I've still got kind of a sore throat, so I should probably bring with me some throat tablets. I'm also gonna make some lemon water just because it's really good to make when you're poorly. So I'm gonna half this and squeeze it into a glass of water. What time is it? I thought we could go. There we go, this looks gross, but. Guess who I'm with? I'm with Ash. I will link your channel down below.
You don't have to.
I want to. And it's raining now, so that's great.
You should go get like an umbrella or something.
Oh yeah. And I got the iced latte caramel, and we're in espresso house. Let's try it. Oh, I need to mix it first. Oh, it's just like on the sides. I guess you don't need to mix that. Mmm, so good. We're at Max. Hi. It's so hot today. It's like humid.
But it's like rainy.
It is.
Makes it even worse.
Yeah. I've got my halloumi burger and my orange juice.
I got my non-vegetarian burger.
Yeah, it's fine. And some fries and a Fanta. Yeah. And we've done some shopping. I've done some thrift shopping and some H&M shopping. So we're in Humana.
I look so good.
You don't. It's a really cool thrift shop in Malmo. They're nice. I like that. A fila cropped and then a kappa. The British boy jackets.
In good lad jacket. Honestly, every boy in my high school wore one of these.
Oh my god. So we're in Beyond Retro. Oh, that's so cool. So nice. Oh my god, these. Oh my god, that's such a good price. I thought Beyond Retro was going to be more expensive. Yeah, sure. Should we do it over here?
Yeah, sure. I'm still filming, so. If you stand in that corner, wait, look at this. What do you think?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Cute.
So awkward. That is cute. They have so many jean shorts, but they've got no black ones.
Okay, now I'm vlogging vlog section.
Yeah, but on yours it looks cool because like it doesn't look good because black jean shorts.
Finally found some black jean shorts. Coolest thrift store I've ever been in.
They were all way too big.
So I'm gonna look gross. So we sat down in Espresso House now. Again. Second time today. I've got a Very Merry. Ash has got a
Lemon ice, it's really good.
yummy. Yeah, it's really refreshing. We needed that now. We've been like running around.
Yeah.
We've done good though. I've got a whole bag of shopping and so does she.
Hey girl, you don't know how beautiful.
Hi everyone, so I'm home now after a long and lovely day out with Ash. It was so nice and she was so lovely and we had such a good time. And we both also got quite a lot of things, so I'm going to show you what I bought because I'm probably going to name this video like come thrifting with me because I did do a little bit of thrifting and I mean kind of clickbait, kind of not, because I've got a lot of things to show. So I'll start with the things I thrifted. So I only got the bag from one of the shops we went to just because helping the environment, you know. Yeah, the first thrift shop is called, and this is in Malmö by the way, Emmaus, it's that one there. I've never heard of it before, but it was actually so good and it had really good prices. First off, I knew I really needed a new pair of jean shorts and I actually spotted these, and these are vintage Levi's, which is so cool because they're Levi's and they're vintage and they were only 200 krona, which is like £19, and that is super good pair of vintage Levi's and they're in great condition. They're light washed as you can see and they've got distressed on the bottom and they're just perfect. They fit me perfectly. The only thing is they are a little bit tight in the waist, but that's fine. I'm used to wearing tight clothes and I think, you know, they might adjust themselves to my body, who knows. I really love them anyway. Such a steal, so that was great. Next thing I got from there was this really cute little tie blouse kind of thing. As you can see, it's kind of see-through, but this is so cute for now in the summer and I absolutely adore these colors. And you tie it in the front. I'll try all of these things on for you as well. The only thing about this is that there's only one place to tie it in, so it's kind of like you can see a lot, but I think I can work it with something. Next thing I got looks like it's from Weekday and this is in a large, but I just thought it was so cute. And this is like a band that I don't listen to, but I've seen these tops everywhere with like the banana and it's so cute. It just says Banana New York. I think the band is called something like that. Yeah, I'm an uncultured swine, I know. It is huge, this top. Look at it. It's like bigger than it could fit to a me in there, but I really liked it, so I got it. It looked quite good tucked in, so I thought that's what I'll do with it because it was only 60 krona, which is about £5, so definitely worth it. And I love the big sleeves, so I thought that was a really cool piece. The next thrift shop we went to was called Humana, which is one of the most famous ones in Malmö. It's really popular. I'm sorry if you can hear like the crickets. So first of all, I got this. And it's like a polo top with feeler on it. It's got like a little feeler brand there. And yeah, feeler's really in and trendy right now. So it's just in a medium large. It says medium large on it, so I guess it's a medium large. But I need to crop it a bit more because it is a bit too big for me. Because I want it to be like the perfect crop length. So I'm going to cut it a tiny bit. And it's just a really nice beige colour. I think I could pair that with a lot. It smells good. Oh my god, it smells like lovely washing up.
Smell stuff. I don't know, I'm really weird.
Last thing I got from Humana was this really nice Adidas top. I think this is so cute. The colour's like green, as you can see, and I really love it. It was 120 krona. Oh, by the way, this was 90 krona, which is about £8. So that was a good buy as well. This one's 120, which is about £11, which is really good for a Adidas top, and especially because like the colour's so nice and the quality feels really good, and I like when they look a little bit worn, you know. I don't know what size this is, but I'd guess this is like a large or a medium because it's like very oversized. I could wear it as a t-shirt dress if I wanted. Maybe it's a bit short for a t-shirt dress, but really love that. So that is everything I thrifted, but I also went to H&M and got a few things. So I just thought I'd show you what I got from there. They had a huge sale on in all of the shops, so obviously I had to spend my money. First thing we got is this. As you can see, I've been liking the like wide, long, short sleeved. I think that's really cute. And this was only 30 krona, so you can't go wrong. 30 krona is like
literally £2.
So that's good. And it's just blue and it's stripy. Got it in an extra small, but it's like oversized. And then it's got embroidered flowers, which is so nice. And Ash got a matching one, but she got the red one. And yeah, it's cropped. Love that. Then I got this. This is probably what I'm like most excited for, apart from the Levi's jeans. Wow, I love this. It's not dungarees, it's actually like a dress. What's it called? Pinafore Dress, I think that's what it's called. And it's just stripy and denim, and I thought this was absolutely adorable. And I'm gonna have to force myself to wear this because I'm not one to wear things like this. Like, I will wear jean shorts or jeans any day. Like, I won't wear a skirt or a dress, so I'm like trying to push myself out of the comfort zone here. I can literally wear whatever I want underneath, so love that. This was from H&M and it was 300 krona, so like £29, which I think is good for a quality lovely piece like that. Next thing we got from H&M was a skirt. It's a checkered skirt. Now I'm a bit iffy about this because this isn't really my style, but I think I've always really liked the checkered skirts and I've never really got myself one, but this one was cheap. It's like 99 krona, which is like £9. I got it in extra small and it's just one of these stretchy ones, and for the autumn this would be really cute with like a sweater. I could wear it with like a black tank top, you know, some boots. I just think it's a cute one. It's a cute one. That was, yeah, £8. And then this one, this was like a super steal.
A super steal?
It's a little hoodie. Oh, I took the label off, but this was 30 krona as well, so like £3. Isn't that crazy? I got it in a medium as well, so it's like oversized and really cute, and it's red. I love red. It's cropped. Love cropped things. So soft inside. It's got one of these ring zippers, which I love. I'm obsessed with. And it's got a rose, which I'm a bit iffy about because it's been like, this is going to sound really stupid, but I feel like roses are like
done.
It was such a big trend and a craze that now I'm like sick of roses, but I still really like roses, so I was like, why not? It's just a little print. It doesn't say fries before guys, so I will live with it. I think it's really cute actually, so I got that. Thank you H&M, and thank you Ash for suggesting to me up. It was so nice. I had such a good time. I might see her next month as well, so I feel like this is the start of a really lovely friendship, so I'm really happy, and I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my first ever thrift for me because where I live we have like literally 2 thrift shops and they're so bad. Like, I found one thing in there like once. Not very good. So Malmö has so good thrift shops, like vintage shops, so if you ever go to Malmö thrift shop, just do it. It's so good. I was expecting them to be like really overpriced because I know in London some vintage shops can be really overpriced, but these were like reasonable, not expensive at all. I think they were quite cheap. I definitely bargained today on all this, so I must have saved so much money because everything was on sale almost. Literally everything was on sale or from a thrift shop, apart from 2 things that I got, which was the skirt and the pinafore thing. So I'm really pleased with everything I got, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. Comment down below, and yeah, here are the shout outs for today's video. Thank you all so much. I literally love you with all my heart. And why do I do that? I did that in like one of my recent videos, but I love you with all my heart. Peace. Bye.
Yeah.
The Blouse, juicing, dripping. Me and bro with the M-way, their mileage reminiscing. Juicing, dripping.
Don't make me wait until the morning.
You know that's my type of, you know that's